Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Dyson humidifiers, the dreaded F5 error code from 2025 models. If you're dealing with this frustrating problem, don't worry. We're here to help you troubleshoot and get your device humming again. This error often pops up due to sensor malfunctions or water quality issues, but it's usually fixable with a few simple steps. First off, let's understand what the F5 error means. In 2025 Dyson humidifiers, this code typically indicates a problem with the water level sensor or a blockage in the system. It could be caused by mineral buildup from hard water, a dirty filter, or even low water levels. Knowing this helps us tackle it head-on, so you can breathe easy without the constant beeping. Alright, let's jump into the troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Turn off and unplug your humidifier. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to reset any temporary glitches. This simple reboot often works wonders. Step 2. Check the water tank. Ensure it's filled to the recommended level and that there's no debris inside. Empty and rinse it thoroughly with distilled water to remove any minerals or impurities. Step 3. Inspect the filter. If your model has a removable filter, take it out, clean it under running water, and let it dry completely before reinstalling. Make sure it's securely in place to avoid sensor errors. Step 4. If the error persists, examine the humidifier's base for any blockages or spills. Wipe it down with a soft cloth and check for any visible damage. Finally, if you've tried these and the issue continues, it might be time to contact Dyson support or visit an authorized service center. There you have it, quick and effective ways to fix the F5 error on your Dyson humidifier. Remember, regular maintenance like using filtered water and cleaning every few weeks can prevent this from happening again. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay cool.